My name is Lisa Manor and I teach third grade at First Immanuel. I have been teaching for about 10 years. I have an elementary education degree from Concordia with a speech communications minor, and I also have my Lutheran ed degree. Growing up, I always knew I wanted to be a teacher, and that was always my dream. I grew up in Ohio, but I went to the Lutheran schools around the area. It was really important to me to continue to grow my faith, and so I thought Concordia would be the best option for me. I think that there are so many Concordia professors that are amazing. One that sticks out in my mind is Dr. Hilgendorf. She was the head of the education department when I was there. She just taught us so many life lessons and helped me realize that every day is a new day, and that it is not always going to be an easy task. It's not always going to be an easy job, but at the end of the day I can look back and reflect on all the positives that came out of it and know that the next day is a fresh start. One word I would use to describe Concordia is community. If I went to a bigger campus, I don't feel that I would get as much of that. It was nice, the smaller class sizes helped me to focus and help my professors to see a little bit more about me and who I was. Being at First Immanuel is a great opportunity to be able to express my faith to everyone around me. We have religion class every day. We have devotions every day. In our math lessons and our reading lessons, we continue to focus on making those Christ-centered. When I'm having those harder days, or when I'm not really sure what to do, and they come up and they give you that hug or say, hey, Jesus loves you, or they give those great, Jesus answers, it just helps me realize that I'm in the right place, and there's no better place to be.